Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Mona and you're watching my YouTube channel Mona's Beauty Reviews. So today I am going to review one of my favorite body mists brand that I use almost every single day, and this is from Nykaa, the Nykaa Wonderlust body mist. There are about 8 of the variants available in like on the Nykaa website, and I have for about 4 of these body mists. So first I bought 2. I absolutely loved them, so I bought another 2. The packaging is very simple. It is a plastic bottle. It is transparent. You can see how much amount of fluid you have used, and it is color coordinated with the entire range. So if you know that Nykaa Wonderlust has got different ranges of products, like they have the Mediterranean sea salt, they have lavender, they have rose. So the conditioner, the body lotion, the shampoo, everything is color coordinated of the same range. So these are priced at 500 rupees for 200 ml of the product, but I always buy them when they're available on discounts, and I got them for about 300 to 350 rupees each during the Nykaa sale. These are very good performing body mist. Now I have tried body mist from every possible brands available, especially in the drugstore, and I absolutely love this because of the fact that these are long staying. Okay, so you must have tried body mists from Bath and Body Works, from Victoria's Secrets. Those are costing for about 1000 rupees after discount, but those are not long lasting. Those kinds of last maybe for about 3 hours, not more than that on me. But when it comes to this particular body mist, okay, from Nykaa, these are very long lasting, lasts more than 6 hours. Depends on the variant. I will show you the variant, which one is the most long lasting out of all, but the price that you're paying for is 100% justifiable because of the only fact that it is very long lasting. So as I said, there are about 8 variants and I have 4 variants. Number 1 is the Mediterranean sea salt. This is what it looks like. Number 2 is French lavender. Number 3 is strawberry daiquiri, and number 4 is Japanese cherry blossom. There are other variants like the jasmine. They have launched a new variant, some champagne variant. Then there's a rose one, so you can go to the website and check out and buy whatever you like. So I will talk about in details about each of these 4 fragrances. I'll start with my most favorite and the one that I have used the most out of all 4. If I show you, you can make out this is the lavender one. I absolutely love lavender fragrances. I do not have a lot of lavender fragrances in my collection somehow, and this one is like, when I started using this, I was like non-stop, and you can see I've already used this much. This is a straight away lavender fragrance. Okay, floral lavender fragrance. There are no way left to describe this. There are no other notes in this. It is straight away dominated by lavender fragrance. This is a very fresh kind of an energetic fragrance, I would say. Something which you can preferably wear in the evening. This is a little on the strong side. I will not say that it's a very strong fragrance, but yeah, between medium to strong side, and it lasts forever. Oh my god, you can actually compare this to an EDP or Eau de Toilette, because this particular variant, the lavender one, is a very well lasting body mist. Okay, I sometimes forget that this is a body mist because body mists have generally a wear time of 3 hours, but it lasts on me for about 6 hours, and even the next day I could smell it on my body. And it lasts on clothes for really long. From till the time you will not wash your clothes, it will be there on the cloth. Okay, so this is the French lavender one, my most favorite out of the 4. Moving on to my second favorite, that is the Mediterranean sea salt. This is actually new to me, so I got a very less chance to use it, but I absolutely love it. Now this one is a very favorite of mine, especially for the daytime. I've shown this product in my other perfume videos also. This is a fresh, clean, and aquatic fragrance. I actually do not have any idea how Mediterranean sea salt smells. I never got the opportunity to smell Mediterranean sea salt, but this one is definitely an aquatic, fresh, daytime wear, everyday wear kind of a fragrance, which you can definitely wear to college, to office, or any place that you're going in the market, maybe shopping malls also. Okay, and the moment you wear this, you will start sniffing yourself. It's a very I will not call it a sexy fragrance, but it's a very addictive kind of fragrance. And yeah, it is a sweet fragrance and warm fragrance. Okay, very beautiful on its own way. Lavender one is meant for the evening. I will recommend this for the daytime. Yeah, so this is Mediterranean sea salt. Moving on to strawberry daiquiri. Oh my god, so delicious. If you're a strawberry lover, if you love straight notes of strawberry, you will love this fragrance. This particular one, there's no other way to define this. This is a straight away sweet strawberry fragrance. If you like strawberry, you will like this. If you do not like strawberry, you will hate this fragrance. I am somebody who is like not extremely fond of strawberries, and also I don't hate strawberries. I kind of like them sometimes, and this is a particular fragrance that you can wear all over the daytime. There's no particular time to wear this, and this is very good perfume for the upcoming winter season. During the Christmas time, you can actually wear this, and definitely you will smell like a strawberry. Okay, and moving on to the last variant that I have today is called as Japanese cherry blossom, and you can see actually I've used this a lot, but this is a strong fragrance. Okay, compared to all the variants that I showed today, this is the strongest one, I would say. And this kind of smells little powdery. Now I have not smelled cherry blossoms before, but this smells floral, warm, and little bit when it kind of dries down, it smells like powdery. I am not very much fond of this particular fragrance on myself, but some people actually loves it. My sister, for example, loves this fragrance on herself. I am not a person who loves this kind of fragrance that much, but if you like this kind of fragrance, this is a typical cherry blossom fragrance. I have had tried cherry blossom fragrance from Body Shop, and that also smells similar to this. So if you like cherry blossom fragrances and you're looking for a cheaper option, you can definitely try this one from Nykaa Wanderlust. This is also a long weary fragrance. It will last for you for about 5 hours easily. This Nykaa Wanderlust body mist, you can definitely directly put on your skin. At least for me, I did not get any reaction when I wore it. Even in my underarms, I didn't get any darkening effect or anything. And one more thing I would like to mention, that please be careful. Sometimes what happens is that if you're putting this in your bag, this kind of comes out. So be very careful about this, checking that it's sturdy or not. Overall, I would say that the body mists by Nykaa Wanderlust are very good options if you're looking for a long staying and money worthy, good performing everyday body mist. Okay, and I actually, as I said earlier, have tried so many body mists, but most of the body mist disappoints me because of the longevity factor. But these are very good performing, long lasting fragrances. So that's it about today's video. If you're enjoying watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any recommendation, let me know in the comment section. Whatever makeup I'm wearing today will be mentioned down. Even this dress from where I bought it will be mentioned down. So if you're looking for references, you can go ahead and check the comment section. See you soon in another video. Bye.